Hello, and welcome to another joyful tune-in. Let's have some fun, and today let's go into fear, which is, as someone said many decades ago, fear is basically false evidence appearing real. And it has also been said that anything created from fear is not real, is not an illusion, and is not permanent. So by the same token, anything created from love is real and everlasting. So let's contemplate that for a moment. Are we creating our daily lives through fear or through love? If we create, and we are creating all the time, if we are recreating our reality from a sense of lack or worry or anxiousness or some level of what we call stress, then that is not a permanent thing in the sense of how we desire, how we wish to have and create more peace and joy in our lives. So take a moment and reflect. Just reflect upon this year. And I'm going to ask you what you have created out of anxiousness, out of fear, out of anxiety, out of worry. And what has that led you to? What other manifestations has that created for you? More worry, more stress, more lack of, more personal suffering. So if we change our mindset and to realize that we can consciously, starting right now, begin to create a life based on love, joy, which creates peace and harmony and balance and connection. So anytime you feel disconnected from people or things or your spiritual work or God, means that you have created unconsciously, inconsciously, levels of false evidence appearing real. Check in with your body and see where your body is holding fear, fear of the unknown, fear of, well, what's going to happen if I say this or do that? Fear of stepping out of the box, fear of being your unique self. You know, tribal consciousness is a very strong force. It can work either way. It can work to build community, or it can be used to create separation and a sense of exclusion, and it keeps you in a place of limited consciousness. Just take a look at the world right now and how many people are reacting and recreating their life through fear. Fear of dying, fear of getting sick, fear of being canceled, fear of what's going to be around the corner. Our natural state is one of love and joy. So let's make a decision today to begin to consciously recreate our lives from a place of joyful excitement and inspiration. Inspiration leads to creativity. And the more that you create through and from your creativity, the more money, in a sense, you will receive. the more joy you will experience in your life. And you will attract more consciously awake people in your life. So this is a joyful tune in for this week. To be conscious of when you create from fear and when you create from love. Your choice. And there is no judgment either way on this. But you have the power to create not only your reality, but how you experience your reality. You are not meant to experience other people's reality, emotions, thoughts, and expressions. You are meant to be uniquely you. So we'll leave you with the thought again that you are divine creator manifested in form. And that you are beloved by the universe. You are loved and supported by the universe. So thank you for tuning in. And again, check out our membership program that is now open. It will help you to self-heal. It will help you to move through the changes. It will help you in many, many ways that may be unseen at first, but will manifest in divine right timing according to your belief and trust in self. And we also are starting our new higher consciousness mastery program for 8 souls that are ready to take the journey into ascended mastery in a more conscious way. So go to kenjikumara.com and check out our new offerings, programs, and our healing sessions. Thank you very much and have a very beautiful day.